Hey everyone in Oakton, Virginia. We just want to let everybody know we are doing warranty work, service work, cleaning work, sales, everything you need. One-stop shop here at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. We just want to let everybody in the Oakton, Virginia know we are a quick 10-minute drive from the Oakton Town Center. Very quick, easy, convenient parking, very easy to find. Our store is open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. So we do every and all things vacuums, shampooers, robotic vacuums, stick vacuums, cordless vacuums, you name it, we can do it. We do repair work, so if you have a broken vacuum that's not picking up very well, no suction at all or loss of suction, if your vacuum isn't turning on or the roller's not spinning or you're smelling a burning smell, these are very common issues that we can usually fix in the same day that you bring it in. Again, I said it, the same day, so you don't have to wait pesky wait times and days and weeks at a time. Most of these can be fixed within the same day. Now, with that being said, if it is an older unit or a specialty item that carries like Amazon or Best Buy may carry, we may have to order parts. So some of those things we just don't have in stock, so that usually takes 1 to 2 days, which will leave you a repair tag ticket, and then we'll get the parts ordered with the estimate, give that to you. Once we get your approval, we'll get everything ordered and get the work done right away. Warranty works the same process. There's no appointment needed. You bring it in on a first come, first served basis. You will need your proof of purchase with you. So whether that's a receipt, an online order, ID, whatever that is, just bring that in with you. We'll take care of all the hard work, send everything off to the manufacturer and get everything ordered and brought back sent back here to the store. We do all of our repairs and warranty work in-house. And then if you're looking to upgrade, you're just tired of your vacuum and you don't want to pay to get it repaired, it's 10, 15 years old, trade it in. We'll give you a good trade-in value on a brand new vacuum here in our store. If you have any questions about where we're located, what type of stuff we do, give us a call at 703-997-9292. You could also like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and don't forget to like us and follow us on YouTube to stay up to date with all of our how-to videos and different products that we're carrying. If you guys have anything at all, give us a call or come by and see us here at Ace Vacuums. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.